back and welcome if you're new. Today's video is super exciting because I am doing a collab with my friend Kristen. She also does a ton of cleaning and lifestyle motivation, and she is a mom of 2 boys. So I'm going to let her introduce herself a little bit, and then we're going to get to cleaning. I hope y'all enjoy this video and you get tons of motivation out of it. It's a power hour, so let's get started.
Hi, I'm Kristen. I'm a mom of 2 boys from Southern California, and I love posting cleaning videos for you guys. So I hope that you will come over from Kimi's video after this and come and check out my channel. I will also be posting a power hour, and I want to thank Kimi for this collab. I look forward to meeting you on my channel.
Alright, and of course I will leave Kristen's channel linked down below and also her video, so y'all be sure to go check that out. But today's power hour list, I want to fold clothes, dry and put away my dishes, wipe counters, vacuum, diffuse oils. I'm so bad about doing this, but I have a diffuser and oil, so I need to use it. Water plants, clean out fridge, sweep, and mop. So not a ton of like vigorous things, just a lot of small things, and cleaning out the fridge will probably be the most annoying. So also, here we go, 1 hour, so we're going to hit start and the time is beginning.
I'm going out with you tonight. Are you close to here? I'm feeling down, I don't know why. No, it's so surreal. Think I want you here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Be free like a summer night. I'm feeling down, I don't know why. What an alibi. But I'm glad you're here. Oh, 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 oh. I don't ask for much, no, I don't need that much, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Though I want your touch, baby, I so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, I so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Slow it down, slow it down, slow it down. Slow it down, baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast. I need this night to last. Baby, you're so high, stay. I don't mind a little crazy, but baby, you're so high, stay. We don't need to go that fast.
Alright y'all, so I've got 45 minutes and 51 seconds left, 48 seconds left. Oh, I gotta hurry. Okay, I love being chatty with y'all, but in power hours it's kind of hard to do because you're on a time crunch. So I've dried and put away my dishes, I wiped the counters, and I've got my oils diffusing. So I'm using, this one's from, I don't even know the brand, it's so small, but it's sweet orange oil. And then this one is from Grove. It's their, or no, this is from Eden's Garden, I'm sorry. And it is their grapefruit pink pepper. I love Aiden's Garden. They're not an MLM, like a direct sales company, so you can just go on edensgarden.com and order oils just like you would order something from like Macy's.com, which is really nice. So I have a lot of those oils. I have Grove oils. I still have Young Living oils from when I did Young Living, but I do not support MLMs anymore, so I purchase all my oils through regular companies. Anyways, so I have a lot in this little basket. If you ever want to know, like, if you want to have like a oils unboxing kind of thing where I just show you my collection of oils, let me know. But what we have left to do in the kitchen, I need to water my plants, clean out the fridge, and sweep and mop. And then in the living room, I need to fold all the clothes that are in the chair and in an IKEA bag, and I need to vacuum. So I've tried my best every day, even if I don't film a cleaning video, to clean, you know, around the house, because before I was letting things pile up just for a video, and now I really want to make sure my house stays clean every day, regardless of whether I'm filming it or not. I know to some of y'all that sounds silly, but if you make cleaning videos, I think you know what I'm talking about. So let's get back to it. I'm gonna start with the fridge.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're at a tight end. I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too. Just trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day. Wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say.
Yeah.
I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now, right now, right now, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't wanna try again, try again, try again, try again. I don't wanna try again, try again.
Alright, y'all, kitchen is finally done. So excited. I just used this Fabulosa and it smells so good. So, everything in here I swept, I mopped, cleaned out the fridge. So, oh, I need to water the plants, vacuum, fold clothes, and I have so many pop-ups. 23 minutes remaining, so this has been fun so far.
Just the people you speak to, it has a positive effect on other people. So don't think it's selfish to set these really positive boundaries and to use social media in a way that's actually serving you. Now,
All we had were those memories, time to make some new ones. Sun is up, I'm wide awake, we're not getting younger. If you still love me, then please just let me go. I won't stay with you, I need to live my own life. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say, yeah. I don't even know what I want no more, no more, no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah.
Y'all, my timer just went off. Ah! No! Okay. Time is up. That's alright. And I'm listening to a podcast. Okay, so I'm gonna finish doing this load of laundry real quick and then I will cut it off from there. But I hope this has been motivating so far. And y'all, I got everything done on my list except for finishing the laundry, which I'm gonna do right now. So I love doing these power hours. Let me know if y'all like doing the power hours too. I feel like there's so much stuff we can get done if we give ourselves 60 minutes. So I'm gonna continue even though time's over because I still got it in me. All right.
You need to give it a bit of time to settle.
if y'all noticed, but there used to be a table here and a lot of other decor right here, and I thought, you know, sometimes too much of a good thing is not good. So I ended up reducing my decor down and moving that table out of here because it really didn't need to be in here. It looks so much better now, so open. And I cleaned Aaron's area and organized it a bit so it looks so much nicer. So, comment of the day. Rhonda, this is from my last Power Hour. She said, love, love, love your channel. Thank you. This is from the Clean With Me collab with a bunch of other girls. Maggie said, great video, Kimmy. I went through and subscribed to all the other girls' channels. I'm excited to check out their videos. That is so awesome. I think they would be very excited that you did that. Alright. Let's see. I'm out of breath, y'all, every time I get done filming a cleaning video. The Rehomer said, OMG, I feel so honored. Love you, girl. Her live stream was playing in the background of my last uploaded video. Letitia said, you go, girl. Motherhood with Shonda said, great job. Gina said, love the video. And Jubilee said, I enjoyed your video, Kimmy. Alright, and she also said, I now know more mobile home cleaning channels to watch that I didn't know of before. Yay. So, there's a bunch of other comments as always, and I appreciate every single one of you that comments on the videos. And that's it for this video. Make sure if you are new, you are subscribed. I read off comments, so leave a comment down below and hit the little bell, and it will notify you whenever I post. So just hit all notifications, and I am going to be posting 2 times a week. So you're not going to get bombarded with notifications, but you want to make sure you have those notifications on so you don't miss out on a video. And the videos are going to be longer, so you will have more motivation but less throughout the week, if that makes sense. But I do think y'all will enjoy the videos coming up. There are going to be lots of cleaning, cooking, groceries, shopping, all those things. Also, if you have been following me on my community tab, we're doing a Bible study right now on the Bible app. And well, actually, yeah, we would have started one again today. So check out the community tab so you can follow along with that, and I will be posting recaps of what I learned from reading those Bible plans on my Instagram, which is same exact as here. It's KimiCope_. But on Instagram, I will be doing like a little IGTV video sharing my recap and what I learned from that Bible study. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I will see you back here in the next one. And don't forget to go check out Kristen's channel. Alright, bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.